Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and meet my Suegrita, which is my mother-in-law in Spanish. She was so kind to be my model for today, and she came to the States to help me with the newborn baby that I just had. I'm so thankful. I just added some Kristen oil to her hair, and I'm just pulling it up in a ponytail and brushing in the oil a little bit more, just taking out some of the frizz. And now I'm going to separate 1/4 of her hair on the left side and put that away. Then just taking the rest of the hair and pull it up into a ponytail. I'm going to add a little bit of oil at the base of her hair here at the neck, and just to keep out some of the frizz. Then just add a ponytail holder. Now we're going to make a little hole in the side of the ponytail and pull it from the left to the right through the middle of the ponytail. Then just tighten that up. Now what we're going to do is take a little piece from the top of the ponytail, split it into 3, and we're going to add pieces from the part that you just put away and the ponytail. We're basically making a Dutch braid here, but we're just adding pieces kind of in on the sides instead of like up and down. So go under, right under, add a piece from the top or the side of the head, and then under again and a piece from the ponytail, making sure you're adding small pieces. It'll look a lot more defined that way. Add a piece from the ponytail, braid under, add a piece from the side that you put away, add a piece from the ponytail, braid under, and then just fanning out the braid as well, just to make it look more like a flower. It's so beautiful. I love the results of this braid. So you're just going to keep on braiding. Make sure again that you're adding small pieces, and then just pull on the braid to make it look more like a flower. Once you get to where there's no more hair to add, just braid it all the way down in a regular 3-strand braid, pulling on the braid as you go. Add an elastic at the end, and then we're going to turn it up and around and make it into a flower. Wrap up the ends and then just turn it within itself until it curls into the middle, just like a flower. Then just add a few bobby pins and then pull on the braid bun, and I'm also just kind of pulling down on some of her curly pieces there at the nape of her neck. It looks so beautiful. Thank you so much, Suegrita, for being my model. I love you so much, and thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Subscribe down below if you have not. Thank you for watching. Love you. Te quiero mucho.